Hey friends, if you encounter the error, this browser does not support video playback on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now before anything else, just update the browser. The procedure is similar no matter what browser it is. Simply click on these three dots at the top right corner, select help and feedback, and then select about Microsoft Edge. Okay, to start checking for updates and install them if possible. Next one is to reset the browser. Click on these three dots at the top right corner, select settings, then go to reset settings, click on restore settings to their default value and then select reset. Okay, and the last solution is to disable graphics acceleration. So in the same settings menu, you can go to system and performance. You'll find an option for use graphics acceleration when available. Uncheck it and then close the browser and then restart it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.